Good morning, everyone. All right, so we're going to talk about something new today, and that is called translating algebraic phrases. So the first thing that you need to do is think about what our operation words mean. So we're going to try to decide if this is going to be an addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division expression. Okay, so all we're going to do is take the words on the left and translate it into a math problem on the right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the words in the phrase that signify an operation. So number one says a number b divided by, so that clearly tells me I'm going to be divided by 36. Now remember, when we're doing algebra now, we show division by a fraction bar. So anytime it says divided by, you're going to put a fraction bar over on the right side. So a number b, so your variable b is going to go on the top, divided by 36. And that's all. Number two, 66 subtracted from a number p. Now, when it's subtracting, you have to be very careful with the order in which you write your terms. We're subtracting 66 from p. So if we're subtracting 66 from p, that's going to be p minus 66. Number three, the quotient. The quotient is the answer to a division problem, so we need a fraction bar. The quotient of 29 and a number h. So 29 is going to go on the top and h is going to go on the bottom. Number four, a number n plus, so that clearly tells me this is going to be addition. I can put my plus sign over here. A number n plus 49, so n plus 49. 3 divided by a number g. Divided by, we need a fraction bar, and we're dividing 3 by g. Number 6, the total of, total always means addition, so I'm going to put my plus sign. The total of 24 and a number x, so 24 plus x. Number 7, the difference, that's subtraction, the difference between 18 and a number m. So this is different from number 2 when it said subtracted from. If it says the difference between 18, the number 18 is going to go in the front, and a number m is going to go in the back. Number 8, a number k added to, so that clearly tells me addition, a number k added to 28. Number 9, 98 more than is addition, 98 more than a number d. So 98 plus d. Number 10, a number j multiplied by 56. Now we've talked about how we're no longer using the x to show multiplication. A number j, so I'm going to slide it here to the side just for a second and show you how we're going to write this. We used to write it j times 56. But remember, because we're starting algebra, we don't want that x for multiplication to be confusing now that we're using the variable x. So I know x is not a choice. So we know we could use a dot. That also means times, or we could use parentheses. That means j times 56. But the preferred way to write this is simply 56j. Whenever you have a number sitting right beside a variable in algebra, that always means multiplication. So multiplication is the only operation which we actually don't have to have an operation sign. Number 11, a number y increased by 56. Increased by means we're adding. So a number y plus, 86. Y plus 86. 29 to the wth power. So this one's a little bit different, kind of funky. 29 to the wth power. Number 13, a number q decreased by, if something is decreasing, it's going down, so we're subtracting. A number q decreased by, not from, but decreased by 85. So q minus 85. Number 14, the difference between, so the difference is always subtraction, the difference between a number f and 2, f minus 2. Number 15, the quotient of, that's division, so we need a fraction bar, the quotient of a number t and 37. T divided by 37. A number s minus a number s minus 82. S minus 82. Number 17, the product of, that's multiplication, a number z and 84. So remember, we're just going to put the number 84 right beside the letter. Make sure it looks like the letter z and not the number 2. Number 18, a number v to the power of 65. So a number v to the power of 65. Number 19, the sum of always means addition. The sum of 45 and a number r, 45 plus r. Product of is always multiplication. The product of 52 and a number c. So this is read 52 times c. Even though there's no times there, I know that's multiplication. So if you guys need to, you can go ahead and rewind it if you need to go back a little bit. And this is going to be your submission for today. You're just going to submit this to me to make sure that I know that you took your notes. And you're going to need this lesson to understand on Wednesday. Okay? Alrighty, have a good day.